Me
Mhm.
first.
Yes.
Me second.
Mm.
More. More. More.
How it is? You guys like it? Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Welcome to Curry Kitchen. Today my wife wants to eat chicken pulav, so we're gonna make chicken pulav today. And how easily and delicious chicken pulav we can make it, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Let's do it. So for the chicken pulav, I have some whole spices here and some cumin seed, cloves and elaichi and everything, and some onion, some yogurt. I just mix it up a little bit, and I have some tomatoes, cumin powder, coriander powder, regular spices. We have chili powder, we have some turmeric, paprika, butter, garam masala, some ginger, garlic, some chili, green chilies, cilantro. Of course, we need chicken. We have some water, oil, and some rice is soaked here. Nice looking good. It's a basmati rice, long grain, very good one. And we got everything here. We are cooking in a garage today, so we're gonna start soon. Like that. Then we're gonna add some green chili, ginger, garlic in here. Nice sizzling sound coming over here. And we're gonna give a little bit stir here. We are on the high flame right now, guys, so we need to saute these onions and make it caramelize. Nice. We're gonna add some chicken here. We got some chicken here. Nice and slowly. Give it a little stir. We're going to sear the chicken nicely. Add some tomatoes here. And stir. Nicely here. Alright. Very good smell coming here. Alright, now it's boiling, so we have the rice here soaked for 1 hour, so we're gonna add that one in here slowly. We're gonna add a little bit of water to it, just a little bit of water. And we're gonna mix it up. It looks so good, guys, so good. And let it boil again. Then when it's boiling and almost like a 70% cooked, then we're gonna put the lid on it and cover it. We are adding some yogurt in here, so we're gonna give it a nice stir. And make sure when you add the yogurt, the fire is slow. If it's high flame, it's gonna be very tough for the yogurt to mix. So it's boiling right now, so we're gonna put the lid on it. This is good, so we're gonna mix it up. And let's see how it looks like. Oh, it looks so good. So we're gonna check it out a little bit. Wow. Put some cilantro here. Gonna try some. Looks so good. Let's try it now. So good. And thank you for watching. See you guys next time. You can try with a yogurt or some salad with it. It goes well. Alright, happy Mother's Day, guys. See you next time. Thank you.